So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn off Face ID login here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this screen, just go to the top middle in between New Account and Support and press on Settings. Then go down to security where it says biometrics and press on this. Now where it says login with Face ID, if it is green with the check mark, this means that it is on. But if you go ahead and turn this off by just pressing on the switch right here, it'll now be a gray X that indicates that the Face ID is now turned off when logging into Questrade. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to turn on Face ID login here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.